We got a little wintry mix this morning. Mom's getting ready to go to church. Just gonna warm her van up, clear the windows off for her. This is all supposed to just be, it's wet. It's not cold enough to freeze to the road. It's gonna turn to rain throughout the day. It's not gonna melt or nothing. So I had planned on, I'm gonna smoke a couple racks of ribs today on my smoker, and supposed to have wood delivered yesterday. That's why I put those blocks back there beside the building and the 2x4s. But because of the weather, my wood's not going to be delivered till tomorrow evening. But I got a lot of charcoal. Maybe I'll just smoke those ribs with some charcoal. I can do it. So I'm gonna put together my rub. I'm gonna have about 3 cups of brown sugar. I don't measure anything. I just eye it out. That's how I do it. We're gonna do chili powder. Black pepper. Onion powder. This is just a basic barbecue rub. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of thyme, just mix all that up together real good. A lot of people put mustard on the underside of their ribs, and they'll just squirt some on there and just slather it around. I'm not going to do that. I don't want any mustard flavor on these ribs at all. Last time I smoked a rack of ribs, that I didn't put any seasoning rub on the underneath side, but I'm going to this time. Just a little bit. I'm gonna pack it on. So it's been about 10 minutes, and we got some flames coming out the top. So we're gonna go ahead and dump right inside every bit of it. I want to get them away from the flame vent there. I've got some more charcoal on standby ready to go. I'm gonna put it right on top. Alright, we're up around 300 degrees. Getting good and hot. I'm gonna give the rack a quick brush. Oh yeah. About an hour, 20 minutes in or something. Already had to add a little bit more charcoal to it. I can't wait till I get my wood, man. All we got is time. Time. Cold, wet, sloppy day. Four and a half hours in. What do I got in here? Just a bunch of fucking ashes, man. Even with soaking these freaking wood chips, I just leave them in the bowl. They burn up fast, man. That's when the temperature stays good, when I got wood going in there. I'm having to add so much charcoal. I'm gonna be out of charcoal. It's ridiculous how much charcoal it takes, man. And I watched a dude do it with just charcoal, and he only added charcoal to it once on like a 6-hour cook. And I don't know how he did it. Maybe I'm using some crappy charcoal or something. I honestly believe once I have wood, it's going to take a lot less wood than it's going to take charcoal. We're starting to get there. Looking pretty doggone good though. We're about 5 drinks in. Now we holding steady at like 275. I will never smoke meat with charcoal again. Charcoal is a waste of time and money. Matter of fact, I might just start grilling burgers and steaks with wood. Build me a fire in there, let it burn down, get coals. To hell with charcoal, man. Wood. I should do an overnighter in here. Right here on the floor. Man, I'm so frustrated. This is straight up bullshit. I lost all my heat because I opened it up and stirred it up. Added more charcoal, now it's starting to go. Temperature's coming up. We got a long way to go, man. Them things need to get going. But man, look at that crap. It's like it only wants to burn where next to the opening. Got all this charcoal in here, just still there, but it didn't do shit. I should not have to baby that. I should be able to put a fire in the side and be able to walk away for a couple hours, then come back, check on it, put another piece of wood on it. Charcoal sucks. And I'm probably going to finish them in the oven to make sure they're the temperature. Well, we put them in the oven about 300 for about 30 minutes. They're done. The rub on the outside got crispy.
Good job, honey.
They're a little more done than I'd like, but they're good.